All right. So I just, since I stopped trading in the morning, I just entered to another trade here uh, on Nvidia, and it took me out, and now it's moving to the right direction. Once that it breaks to the upside, I'm sensing that they're gonna be a huge move to the upside on SPY and all of this heavily high beta stocks, but I cannot find that point of, you know, I just got in and it took me out quickly, like voila. If you look at the 5 minute, you won't see the 5 minute. If you look at the 5 minute, the 50 MA, it cutting all through and is pushing all of this back. So I don't know if what is actually going on, but it's here. So, and there is no size. Like if we get to 05 up here, up here, then there is size. But to get there, if we're gonna get there or not, I'm going to do the red line, by the way, is the value since open. This is the value since open, you see, and the VWAP and everything. So I'm gonna go again if it breaks this level. What's the size previously? 52. Qs are awfully quiet. I didn't pay attention to this. The same scenario on Qs. SPY is all of them are pushing. SPY Qs both are pushing, and Nvidia is lagging. You should above this, close above this thing. Otherwise, there is a high potential that this thing may pull back. Around 50, it would be over 50. Anything over 50 would be a good number, and the higher over 50, the better. So I'm a little bit nervous. I'm looking from the corner of my eye down here. The trade on, I missed lots of opportunities today. On was on Baba. It was on Baba. I wanted to go long from here. Okay, new candle open. This opened without successful break. Qs and SPY on the other hand are struggling to break R3. Look at that. It will be beautiful if we have a little bit of pullback and then start to push up. So other stocks, they have enough time to come along. If I had my stop properly set down here, I wouldn't be in red now. This is one of those trades that I'm getting out because of the short stop. Alright, so the drop, SPY is still holding, huh? Need this thing to break up here. Yeah, look at the Q's trade that I made in the morning. Alright. SPY is going. Nvidia is pulling back up. Qs are pushing up. It's a go. Alright, let's go. I'm looking for a cluster jump to I'm looking a rip to 65.
NVDA. Last equals 164.52.
Filled me up at a very bad price. I'm looking at just the price. If it drops anything below $20, I gotta close this. It's not gonna work. So Qs are going, SPY is going.
NVDA. Last equals 164.61.
Alright, I'm going to set the trail at 22. Alright, so this trade is officially in green now. 56 is too close though. 56, 57 is too close. Just looking for a push. SPY is going, yeah, there you go. I'm looking for a move to 90, 165. Running very thin. I'm running on a thin stop, and it looks like it's gonna be out. 1.6. I'm gonna be $6 out. It's not going. See that it doesn't go. This is not a good sign. Say it, 7, 8. There you go. In a slow market like this, it's it's a blessing if you can get anything out of market. Okay, let's see what we are getting now. SPY is going. Nah, it's not good. I'm just 200 shares in this. That's nothing significant. Price pulling back. I'm gonna be out soon. 2 more cents and I'm out. SPY is going. Now it shows potential. The size at 65, sorry. If it doesn't take me out at 60, I can still be hopeful for 65. SPY is going. I'm giving a bit more space. Between 2 to 3 cent spread, 74. It's coming in. Qs are a little bit slow, but very gradual. So now we see that if we can take if it can take off from here. Previous loss was $25. 51. We are at 80. I set at 10, 13. If it pulls back, I'll be down at 13. I'll be out at 13. But it looks to be bullish, honestly. Because one of the factors that need to be considered in trading is that each trade has a timeline. If the timeline passes, the more space that you give, there's the bigger chance for a pullback. So now the more time that it passes, I'm pushing it up anyway. So the trade might go. SPY is still pushing, but Nvidia is not moving actually, and it's not a good sign. I'm seeing that if it moves toward 165, there's a good chance that this trade might be a very successful. So let me see if I add here where will sit my stop. 1/3 of the way. If I add here, half is here. 50%. So no, I'm going to add. SPY is pushing, Qs are pushing, and I'm waiting for my trade on. When it goes above 60, I will add again.
Got filled on NVDA.
I said I will add, and I just did. Let me quickly 60. 70 would be my stop now. 70.
Got filled on NVDA.
And so my trade didn't work out. Sorry. If it goes over 60, I'd added, and then instead of 80, $60, I'm closing with $18. It was a little bit high pressure trade, but I was expecting this to go from here. Like, look. You see this from here that I got in? From here that I got in? SPY was down here. And now it's pushing SPY. Qs are not going. Look at that. Qs, they were down here. And now up here. God feeling the worst possible price. SPY is still, all Qs are not moving much. I'm just looking at $10 to $15 from out of this trade. 81, I'm at 82. Let me set hard stop in case that market falls down. I'm looking 10 to 15, no, $15, not more than $15. It's gonna be clustered move. Less than 70, I will close my trade. If it pulls back to anything lower than 60, 70. It's grabbing the okay, Qs and SPY are going. As I said that I'm just looking for, oh, I wanted to close but I was too late. Oh shit. Okay, pull up again. I'm going to close my trade to 16 84.
Got
Come
filled
on.
on NVDA.
No, I don't believe in this trade anymore, and I'm back down to 55 where I was. There is no. I'm a shorted now. When it comes down here, I'm a shorted, but I don't know.
Got filled on AMD.
Below R3, I will add below. But if it goes lower than R3, because market is showing some resistance to the upside again, to go back to the upside. Gets to $10, I will get out. Boy. Okay, the worst time possible. Boy.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas, ¿cómo andas?
¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
¿Cómo estás hoy, Bel?
Sí, bien. ¿Y usted?
Todo bien.
¿Todo bien? All right, so we have a star, but it's nothing interesting now. At this point, because SPY and Qs are not showing a direction, this trade could be a bust. I love something like this.
Got filled on AMD.
Okay. Nope. This could easily pull back from here and start to rip to the upside. And if that happens, then I will join. Meta spread on Meta.
AMD. Last equals 84.27.
10 cents since exactly there, but it's okay. I don't mind. Meta is a little bit choppy though. Look at the open to now. I don't think so. Apple, let's analyze Apple. Came in, broke, came back in, broke. It was a good trade, but it's pulling back now. No, this still can go lower. SPY dropping heavy. Look at that. Values up here. Getting a bounce off of 50. The value of 50 is 375. No, it's 160. It's 164, 375. This one pull back in. That's actually not that bad today. Look at this beautiful thing. So what can happen from here is to have a little bit of a little bit pullback and then makes a 3 or a huge candle and move to the upside. if this closes red, the next one comes up here, comes up here, and then starts to pull up, that would be a dreamy setup. This comes back in red and then starts to pull back up, comes in red, comes up and starts to pull back up.
Got filled on NVDA.
60 over. Oh man, why I'm getting filled at these horrible prices? HOD would be a good price as the target. And 10-15 dollars, as I've said it before. Now it's $25, but I don't mind. It's just as long as it closes green, I don't mind. Today no water, how come? To be 5 out of 5, I need to close anything plus 12. Oh, 18 already. I had a loss of 40, but I made 25. So something around $25 would make it up. $10.20. Yeah, this is anyhow. It's a vintage I'm looking at. I have said it before. 160. I'm looking at 165 because if it rips, it's capable of moving 50 cents. It can easily move above 65. Okay, I'm watching 65. We didn't reach 65. Or maybe. Oh, we did. Did we? No, we did. And then it didn't go anywhere. This is a bust. Yeah, SPY is pulling back. Qs are pulling back. So this trade can be a good one. Pushing my agenda to the upside. The price is at 91. My stop is at 88, 10 cents. I can close right up here and go above 1 hour for today. But the idea is not to do this. The idea is to keep making money. I can even let it rip and then go higher and add up there. So I'm officially sitting 10 cents below the breakout. If it pulls back, I will get out. 98 is holding. 97, 98 is holding. It's not fading and it's not breaking. It's holding. It's a good sign. In the next 5 seconds, we'll see that what can happen. It's a go.
Got filled on NVDA.
Out. What a time. The moment that the trade closed, the video went out as well. $94. It's not 1 hour. So who cares? It's not a... Anyhow, I'm good. So that's the only thing I want to show. Have a good one. And that's how momentum traders take advantage of the move. It was a move, I got it and done. Okay, look at the 1 minute. How does it look like on 1 minute? Look at this. There was a hammer, got in, moved up, did this, showed weakness, got out quick. done. I got the meat of the move. There's nothing negative about this. Nothing negative about this trade. $10, but that's just a spread. I was 200 shares in, 200 shares with spread of Nvidia. It can go from here, like it can easily rip from here to 30s, 165.30. It can easily go to there. But Qs are a little bit iffy. Look at that. Qs down here, and then weak to go to the upside. Like there's nothing pure, not pure. See, clean, huh? Like there was, what did I saw a stock right now. It has the PDD. There was something I missed, but I gotta go journal and everything. Forget about it. Yeah, but this loss was unnecessary if the stop was down here and didn't hit, but because it moved to my direction. It took longer, but it moved to my direction. And on this, no, because of the Qs. My stop would be up here. So this trade is still a live trade, still going on. A live trade. Anyhow, have a good one. Let me put the stinger